ever popular 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Great looking car in the hardtop. It is a true Bel Air also. If you take a look at the VIN tag on this one, starts out with a VC, so that is a true Bel Air. Particular one in a nice glossy black paint, has a nice luster to it. As you can see, there's some pinstriping going on the sides a little bit, up by the chrome bullets up on the grill. Very nice gold inlay down on the grill too. If you can pick that up, shows out, stands out better in person than it does on the camera here, unfortunately. But real cool chrome and gold front end on this one. If you have any questions, give us a call, 507-386-1726, or feel free to take a look at the still pictures. It might be a little better idea on those. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, the paint's got a nice luster to it. It's actually the reflection of our ceiling, obviously. Underneath that hood is a 350 small block Chevy powering this vehicle. That's paired with power glide transmission. Does have power steering, power brakes underneath there also. It's riding on Riddler wheels and new rubber. They have less than 1,000 miles on them. This car was actually traded in to us. Front disc brakes, as you can see. Kind of a slight custom with some of the pinstriping, but yet retains the chrome and everything Bel Air. Interior's been redone. Chevy bow tie. Sewn in the seats. Very nice looking, kind of charcoal and silver, dark gray and silver interior. Headliner and everything also underneath. Looks good. You can check out the underside pictures, engine bay, trunk. Again, all those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Come around here, you can see the chrome's in nice shape too. A little bit of wear on the top of the bumper, but overall very nice. Take a look at the luster in the trunk again. See the ceiling fan and the reflection off the trunk. Car is straight too. When you look down at it, you can see how straight this car is. Nice fit to it as far as the doors and hoods, trunk. Slip around, let you check out this interior a little closer. We'll also start it up so you can hear it run. Got a nice little rumble to it, but nothing crazy. Carpeting, floor mats, everything nice. Good shape in this. It does have a stereo system that's been installed in it. Third brake light up there in the deck. Retains what appears to be an original stock looking dash, minus the updated digital stereo and a few extra gauges underneath there. Let's go ahead and fire it up. By the way, that radio does work. Had it on a little earlier. As you can see, the gauges also work. You can hear how smooth it starts, how smooth this car runs. That 350's got an Edelbrock carb on it. Seems to be set up pretty nice. Slip around to the back so you hear a little rumble coming from that 350. Nothing crazy, but at least they'll know you're showing up. Again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. And like I said, feel free to give us a call. I'll be happy to assist you with anything on this. Maybe you want to talk about transportation, how to get it to your location, or maybe you got a car you'd like to trade. We do consider trades. So feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop.